Alright, nature buffs, get ready to test your knowledge of the animal kingdom. Only true wildlife experts will ace this one. Let's dive in.
Which bird is famous for mimicking human speech? What feature distinguishes mammals from other animals? Halfway there, explorers, don't let those tricky questions get you. Keep pushing. The largest desert on Earth is primarily found where? Which insect society famously has a queen? What term describes an animal adapting to its environment? Fantastic effort, nature champions. How many did you conquer? Share your score below. Follow for more mind-bending daily quizzes.